AquAdvantage Salmon was our genetically modified animal, and it was created by AquaBounty Technologies, which is located in the USA. They established it in 1989, but it wasn't approved by the FDA until 2015. So our salmon was created by taking the growth hormone gene out of the Atlantic salmon and replacing it with the growth hormone gene of the Pacific Chinook salmon mixed with a promoter sequence from the ocean pout. This gene allows the salmon to grow year-round rather than just the summer and spring, and this will help the seafood industry tremendously because the fish demand is currently increasing by 133% worldwide.
Okay, so the AquAdvantage salmon were originally sold in Canada because there's less strict rules involving GMOs, but now it is approved by the FDA and can be sold in the US. Okay, one advantage of the AquAdvantage salmon is that it helps conserve wildlife populations by allowing the fish to grow with 25% less food than normal wild salmon. Okay, so the production of these salmon actually help cut carbon emissions because they're raised in land-based facilities, and the distance that they have to travel to the facility to the market is cut, so in return it cuts down the amount of carbon emissions. So AquAdvantage salmon are completely regulated in their ecosystems, so the facilities have complete control over the input and output of water from the facilities, as long as sanitation to help regulate the fish.
One of the negative effects of the AquAdvantage salmon is that it took over 20 years to actually get to the market, so it would take that long to reverse the damage done to the salmon population. Another negative effect about this AquAdvantage salmon is that it costs over $130 million before it even reached the market. So another negative effect of this GMO is that the salmon are housed in contained places, which could be seen as a negative because they're meant to be out in the wild and not in contained pools. Okay. So one of the bioethical issues that we ran into was that the salmon actually suffered from defects, which led the people to believe that they were frankenfish, which is a term. The term franken is used in biology for something that is scary or uneasy. Going back to the negatives, if one of the salmon were to escape the facility, it could cause harm to the normal salmon population because all of the salmon in the facility are not sterile, which means that they could reproduce with salmon from outside of the facility, and that could cause problems.
Thanks for watching!